we finally got our new valve covers air cleaner in for this car. And they're actually pretty good quality, honestly. This cheap eBay valve covers, I think they're like $140 or something for the kit. Valve covers and the air cleaner. I'm gonna throw them on the old 57 real quick and see how it looks. Put these baffles in real quick before we throw them in. Alright, let's get this stuff off. Alright, we got this thing on, these things on. It looks 1,000 times better than it did. Even black. Black's a little much in here, there's a lot of black. But again, this is gonna be the high octane red. This is gonna be high octane red. The block is gonna be high octane red. But yeah, it looks so much better with those ugly orange valve covers off. I really like it much better. All right, we got it all in. Just a real quick little job. Looks 1,000 times better. See you next time.